So are we sitting or standing? We'll get the chairs a little bit here.
Standing,
So
stand.
center में ले आइएगा. Chairs.
Stand. Stand.
Yeah, we're sitting.
Unless I get tired.
Yeah, okay, fine. So we'll stand.
So just keep one chair, yeah.
Yeah, okay, Karina. So welcome on board the Be Blunt Salon journey, Salon Secret journey,
Thank you.
and thank you very much for being here with us today.
Pleasure. I think I'm very excited. Of course, there are a lot of brands that I endorse, but I think I'm very excited today to be a part of the Be Blunt family.
Yay!
Because I've got an opportunity to work with, I think, two of the most amazingly talented women in the film fraternity, which is, Odna Babani and Avan. I think the way they've made me look in this ad, I think all of y'all agree, I think it looks absolutely stunning. It's my pleasure to be a part of, such an amazing team of
Fantastic.
talented women especially,
Thank you so much.
So I'd like to thank you all for having me on board, and of course Godrej, for being so lovely, for shooting such a grand ad for all of us. So we're very excited today.
Thank you very much, and I think you look awesome and gorgeous in the advertisement.
Yeah, of course.
That's
And
amazing.
my hair looks amazingly shiny, so I'm very excited about that. For women, that's very important, that your hair has to look, bang on,
Yes.
absolutely shining, and like the ad says,
You're
keep shining, baby. Yeah. Actually, wherever I go now, I want everyone to say that tagline.
You're
That's the
shining,
most
baby.
important thing.
So can we have that first? Can we say you're
Yeah,
shining,
I'm
baby?
sure you all know I am shining. Of course, there is a glow also, but my hair is also shining.
Yeah. Tell me one thing. I believe you're a regular Be Blunt Salon loyalist already. Regular.
I think before also I was on board, before I was, brand ambassador to Be Blunt, I think I was always frequenting the salon, whether it was haircut, hair color. Every 6 to 8 weeks, I think I was
Be Blunt.
at Be Blunt. So now the photographers have spotted me many times outside Be Blunt. They are proof.
Aduna, one question for you. Do a quick rapid fire round to both of them. So you
Really?
Yeah.
No one told me this was happening.
So you be ready. I'm not going to be as drilling as Karan, so that I can tell you that. So we start. So Karina, the first question to you. When was the first time Be Blunt styled your hair?
Well, I think it was for a very special film called Dawn.
Oh.
And I think my hair actually has never looked better than in that song, Ye Mera Dil, and Odna had done the hair. So it was really, really, I thought it was very sexy. And of course, my husband always tells me, even though you were overweight, but you looked very sexy in that song. So that's the best compliment, I think, for us.
I agree with him.
The hair had a lot to do with it.
That's a fantastic movie. Okay, Karina, on to you. Which is the favorite Be Blunt look which has been created for you or for any other star which you like, really?
Well, I think Odna and Avan, the problem is that they're always, upping themselves. They're always taking it a notch higher. Whichever film you kind of see of theirs, which they've styled, it's never exactly the same to the other. That's the best thing about them, is that you can never say that, two films looked alike.
Same.
Including if you see our film, our ad film, I think that the color they've used, the espresso color, the shine, I think that is for me the best right now. I mean, I think it's suiting me the most.
Very
the
much.
color.
Oh, that's great. Aduna, describe Karina in one word.
One word?
Yeah.
Only?
It's a tough one.
Shining!
Karina, how do you describe Be Blunt in one word?
Well, I would definitely think that, actually there's so many words, but I think it's very edgy and very contemporary.
Okay, that's great.
But we all like different colors
Yeah,
of it,
that's
so
right.
which is great.
That's
All 7 are
fantastic.
great.
And Karina, which one's your favorite?
I think the one we used in the commercial.
This
I
is
think
the
that's
coffee colour that
the
we
coffee
use.
espresso color. I think that is something that suits my face the most.
Oh, that's great. So I think that's the rapid fire round. Thank you very much to both of you.
There was nothing controversial, but
Yeah.
we'll open it to the media.
Yeah, so we want it to be, yeah. So for all
Yes,
the
you're
other stuff.
not Karan Johar.
Yeah, I'm not. I did that.
Why don't somebody remove this chair, because it must be looking very ugly.
चेक हाय करीना
Hi.
आपके राइट में नहीं सर वो कैमरे का
Do
व्यू
you need
जाएगा
that? Sure.
करीना आपसे सवाल है कि आपके बालों की जर्नी कैसी रही फ्रॉम चाइल्डहुड
आपकी बालों की जर्नी कैसी है? क्योंकि आप तो टोपी के बिना दिखते ही नहीं हो.
नहीं बिना टोपी के भी मेरी कई
हाँ।
फोटोज हैं
आई थिंक दैट मेरी बालों की जर्नी बहुत खूबसूरत रही है. 16 साल में इतना काम हुआ है. And I'm proud to say that I actually use a lot of my natural hair, because I'm blessed with good genes. So I'm not balding as of now. So I hope never, not for the next 20 years.
Not if we're taking care
20
of
क्या
it.
40 साल के हो जाए तो आपके बाल बहुत ही अच्छा माशाल्लाह बेहतरीन लगते हैं। दूसरा सवाल ये है कि खुद के अलावा इंडस्ट्री में किसके बाल आपको बहुत खूबसूरत लगते हैं?
That sets you thinking.
Yeah, I don't know. I think Shahrukh Khan के बाल बहुत अच्छे हैं. Now I have to think. बहुत सारी actresses extensions लगाती है. आप लोगों को क्या पता? मुझे पूछो. That's another chat.
That's a secret.
So Kareena, whatever you have done, you have reached to the full marks, be it maintaining the zero figure or coming up with a salwar suit and acting to the to reach the height. आपकी चूंकि जुल्फों की बात हो रही है तो आपके बॉलीवुड क्वीन बनने में आपकी जुल्फों का कितना हाथ रहा है?
I think Bollywood में तो I think जुल्फे तो बहुत ही important है क्योंकि हर गाने में तो पंखा होना चाहिए और बाल उड़ने चाहिए तो गाना हिट नहीं होता है. आप लोग उसी गाना को हिट कर लेते हो तो hair is very important. I think it's especially for an Indian film actress. I think it's very important. But जैसे ओडना ने भी कहा कि फिल्म तलाश में which was such a real film, just I think the hair played a very important part in my character to make it look the way she was. That entire softness of Rosie came across because of her hair also. So hair does play a very important role, in fact, in building the character in a film.
So
Hi,
Aduna,
Kareena.
Aduna,
This is
since
Pooja.
Aduna, since you are the hair
हाय करीना, दिस इज़ पूजा हियर. मैं आपको पूछना चाहती हूँ कि आपने कई सारे फिल्मों में अलग अलग किरदार निभाए और देश विदेश के कई लोकेशंस पे शूटिंग की, तो ऐसे वक्त में आप अपने बालों का ख्याल किस तरह से रखते हैं? व्हाट इज़ द मेंटेनेंस टिप यू वुड लाइक टू शेयर विथ अस?
Well, I think a good shine spray always helps क्योंकि स्क्रीन पे बाल हमेशा खूबसूरत लगना चाहिए, शाइनिंग लगना चाहिए. So that is something that I think a hairstylist always has, and B Blunt has an amazing product. So we always use that. I think that is something because it's so important in a character also that जब आप स्क्रीन पे एक हीरोइन को देखते हो तो उनकी खूबसूरती का राज डेफिनेटली पहले ही उनके बालों पे जाता है. So when the whole look is right, so to maintain that, that is also very important. And to obviously have the most amazing hairstylist like Odna is also very important.
मैं और
I think I am the most B Blunt actress there can be in this industry. Aaj tak, I mean, I believe that. So that's why I'm the brand ambassador
In
for
fact,
B
that was
Blunt.
very clear to us when you chose her, that she's real, she's honest, she's confident.
Hi, Kareena. Towards your right, left. What is your hair care routine?
Well, I think that definitely doing a hair touch-up every 6 to 8 weeks for hair color is very important, especially in a profession like mine. And definitely having a nice spa hair treatment at B Blunt. They do an amazing hair spa treatment with deep conditioning. I think that really helps to keep the softness going. Also, actors हमेशा बहुत ज़्यादा products use करते हैं shoot पे, फिल्मों में, ads में. So it is nice to constantly keep getting a spa done, going to the salon every 6 weeks, kind of to get your hair rejuvenated. I think that is very important to take out that time and look after it.
Kareena, you just said, no, you're too blunt. You're the blunt actress in Bollywood. But I would like to also know that, do you have any flaws? And yes, what is that?
I'm as human as everyone. Every human being has flaws. But I mean, I don't think I'm the right person. I don't think I should be talking about either what I'm good at or what I'm bad at.
I think
Hi, Kareena. I have two questions for you. One, do you feel you've experimented less with your hair as compared to the other girls? They cut it short, they color it, do a lot for their characters, particularly in films. And a second question, in the phase that you are in, the body goes through a lot of changes. Do you feel it's sort of a change in your hair and your scalp also at times?
I think my hair, I have to say, has never been better. And so that is one thing which is good. And of course, I think character-wise, I won't deny that, yes, I haven't cut my hair short because I'm paranoid. Of course, I think I love my hair too much. And there's nothing wrong if a woman loves her hair.
It's
You know,
also-
I think that's amazing.
It's also about suitability, right?
Yeah.
There's no point to just go short for the sake of it.
Absolutely.
Work with the character, or it should work with you as
And
an
my
individual.
personality.
Yeah.
So I think my hair is absolutely gorgeous and fine.
करीना
I'm not
आपने-
chopping my locks. No.
Hi.
That's
Kareena,
your
आप-
question. But that y'all have decided. I haven't said it. Y'all have already decided what's happening, where I'm shopping, what I'm doing, how much I'm spending, what my bills are, everything. Y'all know everything, then why? Don't ask me.
करीना आपने हमेशा एक नया ट्रेंड सेट किया है बॉलीवुड में, चाहे वो जीरो साइज का हो या कुछ और भी, और इस समय आप इसी फेज़ में, जिस फेज़ में हैं आप, उसमें एक्टिंग करने वाली हैं, ऐसी खबरें हैं। तो एक तो ये बता दीजिए कि आप करने वाली हैं, रोहित की फिल्म है या किसी और की फिल्म में आप इसी रूप में एक्टिंग करने वाली हैं जिस फेज़ में आप हैं इस समय, तो क्या है?
Well, I'm definitely going to go on with my normal life. I'm a working woman and there's absolutely nothing wrong in that. So I love my job, I'm passionate about my work. Acting में तो जब से मैं अपने माँ के पेट में थी तब से ही मैं एक्टर बनना चाहती थी. So that's fine and I will continue acting all my life till I'm 80. So, you know, I mean, of course, if there's a role for me, why should I not do it?
Kareena, as you said, Saif liked the look, your hair look in Dawn. Which is your favorite look in any of your film, actually?
Well, I don't know. I think that there's so many films where I've obviously liked my hair. कि हर एक फिल्म में अलग दिखाया गया है, and that is the most important. So I don't know. Yeah, maybe Dawn, maybe Jab We Met. I think there are. My hair has always looked good. Do you remember when it's looked bad?
Kareena, hi, yo. I want to know, did you ever have a bad hair day? And if you had, how did you fix it?
Well, I've never had a bad hair day, but obviously I know that my go-to place is the B Blunt salon in Kars. So if I ever do, I know that they're going to look after me and give me the best treatment.
And करीना जी
hi.
आपके सामने करीना जी हम देख रहे हैं कि प्रेग्नेंट होने के बाद भी आप कंटिन्यू काम कर रहे हैं क्योंकि महिलाएं जो होती है रेस्ट करना ज़्यादा पसंद करती हैं तो ये जो एनर्जी है वो कहाँ से लाती हैं आप अपने अंदर करीना
I think it's a myth that pregnancy में of course rest तो होना चाहिए. And आपको कैसे पता कि मैं रेस्ट नहीं कर रही हूँ? रात को तो मैं रेस्ट कर ही रही हूँ, पर दिन को तो काम करना चाहिए ना?
Hi Kareena. Hi Kareena. Just आपने अभी just बोला about Golmaal 4. तो हम recently Rohit Shetty had given a quote that he will miss you in Golmaal 4. So since because you are in this phase, he's finding it odd to talk it out to you about the role. So what do you have to say about it?
Well, I think that those who have a role for me, they'll come to me, pregnant or not. I don't think there's anything wrong in that. And why should he be scared? I should be scared of him. That now is not even thinking of that right now.
All right,
Hi,
we have
Anurag.
one question for that camera, which is the Facebook Live camera. Millions of people across the globe are watching
is it?
this live. So, Kareena, your message for those fans sitting there and watching us right now. Look into that camera at the center.
Hi everybody on Facebook, and I know, I mean, everybody's crazy about it. So many people get in touch through that. I mean, it's amazing, and I love this opportunity that we're live and this very special occasion. Be Blunt, a very special ad has just played. Please keep playing it on Facebook, and of course, I think we all three should say the tagline together.
Yes.
That'll be great.
Yeah.
Okay. So 1, 2, 3.
You're
You're a shining baby. Maybe once more.
You're
became a
shining,
song.
baby.
All right, we'll take just two more last questions. One from this side and one from this side. Nothing from the center, right? Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay, one from the center
Yeah,
also.
why
Let's
are we
go.
being so mean to the center?
Hi Kareena, मेरे दी wedding में आप काम कर रहे हो, तो आपका role उसमें camouflage किया जाएगा, considering the phase you are in, or will you be seen the way you are as of now?
Well, whichever role I do, I think I'll be in whatever phase I'm in right now, which is very, very normal. I'm not going to hide anything and camouflage it for the screen at all. I'm very proud of the phase I'm in.
Yeah.
And there's nothing to hide about it. And also, as far as, yes, whichever film I choose to do will see me the way I am. But right now, we're still working on dates and what we're going to do, whether we're going to start the film now, or it all depends on how I feel.
Okay, next in the center, yeah.
Well, we'll see. As far as I'm concerned, I've been very lucky. So let's see. I think everybody, it's about your attitude, the way you look at things, the way you approach things. I think it's that really matters. And I don't even look at Bollywood as being stereotype. It's the roles that come to me. I'll pick and choose of the best that is offered to me. I can't comment on someone else.
All right, one last question now from this side. Yes.
Considering you've run your fingers through quite a few of
Through
them.
most.
That she should answer.
I have to say that I'm currently in love with Siddharth Malhotra's hair in Bar Bar Dekho. That movie's coming up, and I've just worked on that movie, so I'd like to say that's the hair that I like right now.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you.
Maybe invite you for lunch right outside this hall. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Are you good? Standing? You're all right?
Easy, guys. Sit down, please, please. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much.